I thought fact videos are oversaturated until I came across this TikTok account. Guys, they've uploaded only 11 videos and they've gathered over 50k followers and over 500k likes. This is massive. I decided to check if it's luck. To my surprise, I found lots of new channels doing the same videos on other platforms like Instagram and making lots of money. Check this YouTube channel for instance. They started just a year ago and they have more than 1.3 million subscribers with over 283 million views. That sounds like a lot of money even if YouTube pays this channel 10 cents per 1,000 views. Open your calculator and let's do the math. Alright, so this channel has over 281 million. Now let's divide it by 1,000 and multiply it by 10 cents, which is the RPM. That's about $28,000. Guys, this is from ad revenue alone. In fact, lots of people will work so hard but can't even make half of this amount in 5 years. But what if I tell you these videos are very easy to make with AI? Well, keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll learn how you can make these videos like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, so to start, we will need a video idea. And not just any idea, but a viral video idea. For this, all you have to do is to find your competitors and check what's working for them. Once you identify some of your competitors, sort their videos by popularity. Alright, so let's say this channel is my competitor. Now what I will do is to click here to see the top performing videos. Now just find the ones with more views and create that same video. For this step, we are going to use a very powerful tool, which is trending right now. It is called Vidya. This video generator will help us create our fact videos with few clicks. Meaning we don't have to worry about script, visuals, background sounds, editing. All these can be done in a few clicks. Let me show you. Simple, head to the description of this video, then click the first link over there. This will take you to this simple web interface. Now let's get started by clicking the try for free button. Here, simply sign up with your Google account or your email. Once done with the registration, you will get a dashboard similar to this. Now we need to start a project. To do that, simply click on this button. Here you have lots of options to create your video. The first option is to give the tool your video idea and it'll do all the work for you. The second option is by giving it a script. So you can write your own script if you are good at script writing. And the third option is by giving it a voiceover and it will turn it into a unique video. For this tutorial, I will use the first option, which is giving the tool our video idea. To do this, simply click on this button. Then, click here and describe your video. For instance, I will enter something like create a video about 5 facts about girls. Next, select your preferred language from here. Now we need to set the video duration. For YouTube Shorts, we can only select 15 seconds to 1 minute, since YouTube Shorts videos can't be more than 60 seconds in duration. But for other platforms like TikTok, Facebook, or even Instagram, you can select the other 3 options right here. I will select 15 seconds since this is just a tutorial. Now let's hit this button here to generate a script for our video idea. As you can see, the script is ready. You can edit it if you like. And once you're okay with it, just go ahead and select a speaker by clicking here.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
Once everything is okay for you, simply click on the next button below and patiently wait for the result. Alright, the video is ready. Let's see the result.
Did you know girls are more social than boys? Girls develop language skills faster, and their brains are wired for empathy. In some cultures, girls are forced to marry as young as 11 years old. Girls are more likely to pursue careers in science and math if encouraged. Girls who play sports are more likely to graduate from college. Share your favorite fact about girls.
That's not bad, right? Yeah. Alright, so on your left panel you can edit sequences, and if you don't want any of these footage, you can simply change it by clicking the particular sequence you want to change. Then click the Media tab here. From here, simply enter the video you want to add. Then click on it to replace the old footage. To save the video on your device, click the export button at the top right corner, then click on confirm. Alright, so this tool offers 1.5 minutes every month to try it for free. In fact, you can make at least 3 YouTube shorts every month, which is very good when compared to other video generators. But if you are very serious about this business, then I recommend you go for a premium plan to get enough minutes to create as many videos as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.